Hi everyone, this is Shoshana Kliski with Metalsmith-Arts 360, and we're doing hashtag one take 1 minute. I will be walking you guys through how to design rings using bezel setting, prong setting, and I put all my favorite stones down. Okay, so here's where we go with it. I have cabochons. I have faceted stones. I have step cut stones. I have pearls. I have log cut stones, but let's say you don't have access to that. No problem. Just go to your local bead shop, pick up turquoise, coral beads, and we can work with it. Let me show you a picture of what I'm thinking of. It's something like this. Same idea, but they're with beads. So I'll be walking you through how to use sterling to set different stones up together, and then instead of turning it into a bead, we will make it look like stone on stone. I've got a little wax on this so it won't fall off, but it'll be bezel set. Thanks.